Hello everyone and welcome to the Collections Centre here at Brooklands Museum. My name is Vicky and I'm the Collections and Archive Relocation Assistant.
I'm Anna, I'm the Collections Care and Documentation Officer, and we're going to show you a few highlights from the collection. Hi everyone, here we've got a dress that belonged to Ethel Locke King. She was the wife of Hugh Locke King, and together they founded Brooklands racetrack and got it built in 1907. It took them 9 months from conception to finish building the track and all the banking, so it's a bit of a labour of love really for the pair of them. After Hugh died in 1920s, she took over the running of the track together with Malcolm Campbell. This is her purple velvet dress, so it's an example of high society, rich lady wear in the Edwardian years, from around the time of the track opening in 1907. It's got a few velvet buttons missing, but you can see the original lace and the original lace collar peeking through. The dress itself measures about 4'10", so she must have been quite a short lady, but still a huge personality who got a lot done with her life.